Hello learners. Today we are going to start a new topic, operators. Now the operators. So operators are always very important to the operations to be done. So operator is nothing. Operator is a simply we can say the symbol that is used to perform an operation. So an operator is simply a symbol that is used to perform an operation, and operations of any type, maybe arithmetic, logical, bitwise. You can see first how many types of operator we have. We will divide first in a broad way. We have three types of operator. Here you are seeing the list of operators and you are seeing the more type of operator, but I'm telling you we have three types of operator. Number one, unary operator. Number two, binary operator. Number three, ternary operator. These are the three types of operator. The binary operator, what is the binary operator and what is the unary operator? What is the ternary operator? First we will discuss about the unary. Then we will discuss about the list whatever we have given on the slide. Number one, whenever we have one operand with the operator, means when we are going to perform an operation with one operand, this is called unary operator. Like your increment operator, decrement operator, minus operator. Minus operator means negative value to perform, so that's why I'm telling you minus operator. So negative operator and size of operator and logical note operator. Logical note should be remember, these all are unary operators. Now what are the binary operators? Binary operators when we need two operands to perform any operation. So two operands means A plus B. A minus B means arithmetic operators. A multiplied by B. These all are binary operators. Relational operators. A less than B. A greater than B. A less than equal to B. A greater than equal to B. These all are binary operators. Logical operators A and B. B or C means logical operators. Logical AND operator is binary. Logical OR operator is binary. Logical NOT operator unary. So you should be careful about where we are using one operand is unary operator, where we are using two operands to perform any operation, binary operators, where we are using three operands together, we are using ternary operators. So all of these operators, arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise assignment, are the binary operators. Logical NOT operator is a unary operator. Increment, decrement, logical NOT, size of, negative, all are unary operators. Whenever we have three operands to perform any operation, we use ternary operators. So here we can categorize into broad way into three types. Then we are discussing these in a proper way. So precedence and associativity of operators in C#. What do you mean by precedence? Precedence is a computation capacity, which operator will perform first and which operator will perform second. So here is some operations we have already studied in mathematics as well, like we have studied somewhere in the European standards. We started with PMDAS. PMDAS means parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we have used this rule, and in Indian mathematics system we studied about the BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So whatever the rule you will be having an idea, PMDAS or BODMAS, these all rules are in the mathematics to compute the expressions. So these kind of rules we also have in our computation capacity in our system. So our arithmetical logical unit is performing these operations as per these rules. So this particular practice is called precedence. Okay, so the precedence of operator specifies that which operator will be evaluated first and which operator will be going to evaluate second or next. So this is called precedence of operators in C#. Second is associativity. Associativity is what? Associativity is basically a list of operators in the same family. So in the same family, which operator will perform first? It is called associativity. So it depends on the direction. So we will have a one chart, one list of a table about it. So we will discuss there. But first we will just discuss about the definition here. Associativity specifies the operator direction to be evaluated. It may be left to right or right to left. So this is called associativity. Now try to understand the precedence by example given below. Here we can understand easily. It's a simple example. It's nothing. Just want to understand the precedence. So here we have an expression of integer type data variable. We are assigned here 10 plus 5 multiplied by 5. So here the plus operator is first, but it will be expressing as per the precedence, the multiplication operator will be performing first. So here 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and plus 10 it becomes 35. So we can understand this why it performs first the multiplication operator, because the precedence of the multiplication operator is high. That's why it is performing first. The data variable will contain 35 because multiplicative operator is evaluated before the additive operator. So now come to the next. This is the table and the chart, and here you can see first by the precedence we have unary operator. It will be performing first. Additive operator, multiplicative, relational, shift, equality, logical or, logical and, logical or, logical XOR, conditional or, conditional and, null, ternary and assignment. Assignment operator always be performing at the last. Okay, and here in the particular we have some family operators like add, subtract. It is actually unary operator, so negative values to be performing here, like a, so negative a plus the positive a. So it's you, we know the logical not operator, tilde operator, increment, decrement, type and size of. Okay, these are the operators in the same family, and we can see here plus and minus the additive, and then here in multiplicative we have percentile, and then divide and multiplication. Here relational operator less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, is like that. So here in this family how we perform, we use associativity. Associativity from right to left, it means we are talking about from right to left. Okay, from right to left, size of will be performed first if the operator of the same family, and the plus operator, additive operator, will be performing at the last. Here left to right means left will perform first, then right. So you can see here the associativity of each family. So all the left to right, left to right, left to right, only right to left is unary operators, and right to left is equality operators, and last right to left ternary operators, and right to left assignment operators. Others all are left to right. So this particular chart is showing which operator will be performing first and which operator will be performing last as per the actual precedence and associativity performance of the operators. Now this is a simple program. It is just expressing the which operator will be performing first or second as per the associativity or precedence of the operators family. So now here is a Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion, and this is a simple using system, and is a namespace, a program and class program, and here the main method. As we know well, main is a very important method to us because all the programs will be start to execute from the main only. Inside the main body we have two integer type variables, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Console write line, enter the temperature in Celsius. So this is only the instruction to the user to be showing that enter the value for the Celsius degree. So here we are using a conversion, and here you can see console.readline is a method to receive the value from the keyboard. So I told you already in the type conversion section, whenever we enter the value from the keyboard, this value always be in the form of a string. And in which type of variable you want to put the value? You want to put the value of the integer type variable. So how can we convert integer type, this string type value? So how can we do this? We use a parse method. Int.parse. Int is showing which type of value you need it. Parse is showing is a method which have a parameter of the value should be entered by the keyboard. Okay, so this is a parameter for the parse method, and in this parameter we are receiving a value from the keyboard, and it will directly convert to the integer type, and then as a feature of the assignment operator, it will store from the left to the right. So it will convert value from string type to integer type, and then store to the Celsius variable of integer type. So integer type variable receives the integer type value. So that's why we convert it to the integer type. Then the Farn. In the Farn, we just calculate. We are using here the precedence of operator. So here, so first is parenthesis, then is a division, then is addition. So we know very well the PMDAS or the board mass or the computation in our system, we are using the same rule. So we will get the idea about, and we will calculate accordingly. After that, uh, console write line temperature in Fahrenheit, and it will convert the value from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and it will store the value in the Fahren, and it will receive the value directly from there because it's a console write line statement. So write line is a method to display the output on the screen. So that's why we receive the value here and display as it is whatever the value received in this variable. Console.readline just to wait till the key or line will be pressing from the keyboard. So here by mistake, it is a mistake, manual mistake, just human error. I put 0 by mistake. In this, you are not seeing this, so don't be confused with it because it is by mistake has done here. Otherwise, temperature in Fahrenheit is degree F is directly receiving the value here. Thank you, and come to the next program. It is again one program, and we can see the again performance of the operator to be operating here as per the precedence. So here the trigonometric values we know very well, uh, is a math class. From the math class we can directly access the sine, cos, tan methods or angles. So in this method we have like sine 60 multiplied by sine 60 pi by 180. So pi we can access directly from the math class. So we just write here math class dot pi. So this class in a system namespace, and directly we can access to our program. So mat.py, it will receive the value 3.14. So we will not write the value of pi, and we can directly access from our system. It will be more accurate whatever we will put it. 60 multiplied by math.py and divide by 180. So we know very well which operation will be performing first. Accordingly, it will perform, and it will calculate the value as per the cos, sine or tan functions, and it will give the value here. Sine pi by 3, pi by 3 is what? Pi by 3 is 60, and we will receive the value, but here is 60, and it is sine 60, sine 60, sine 60, and values in the radians we are receiving here. Thank you so much. Thanks for your attention. Like, share and subscribe my channel.